What's up, everyone? Let's dive into another absolutely brilliant algebra puzzle today. Whether you are preparing for a competitive math exam or simply looking for a fun brain workout, this problem is a beautiful example of how a clever substitution can make a difficult equation surprisingly simple. Here is the equation we need to solve. X squared plus 2 equals 2 times the square root of the quantity x cubed plus 1. Our mission is to find every real value of x that satisfies this equation. Let's begin by looking inside the square root. Notice that x cubed plus 1 can be written as x cubed plus 1 cubed. That means we can use the famous sum of cubes identity. It tells us that a cubed plus b cubed equals the quantity a plus b multiplied by the quantity a squared minus a times b plus b squared. Applying that identity, we get x cubed plus 1 equals the quantity x plus 1 multiplied by the quantity x squared minus x plus 1. Now, substitute this back into the original equation. Our equation becomes x squared plus 2 equals 2 times the square root of the quantity x plus 1 multiplied by the quantity x squared minus x plus 1. To make things cleaner, let's introduce two simple variables. Let a equal x plus 1, and let b equal x squared minus x plus 1. Now, watch the magic. What happens if we add a and b together? We get x plus 1 plus x squared minus x plus 1. The positive x and negative x cancel each other. 1 plus 1 gives us 2. So a plus b equals x squared plus 2. But that's exactly the expression on the left side of our original equation. So our complicated equation now becomes a plus b equals 2 times the square root of a times b. Bring everything to the left side. We get a plus b minus 2 times the square root of a times b equals 0. Does that expression look familiar? It is actually a perfect square. It can be written as the quantity square root of a minus square root of b. Completely squared equals 0. The only way a square can equal 0 is when the expression inside it is 0. So, the square root of a equals the square root of b. Squaring both sides gives us the simple equation a equals b. Now, replace a and b with their original expressions. We get x plus 1 equals x squared minus x plus 1. Notice that both sides contain a plus 1. Subtract 1 from both sides, and they disappear. That leaves us with x equals x squared minus x. Move everything to one side. We get x squared minus 2x equals 0. Now factor out x. We have x multiplied by the quantity x minus 2 equals 0. So there are two possible solutions. Either x equals 0 or x minus 2 equals 0, which means x equals 2. Therefore, the exact solutions are x equals 0 and x equals 2. What looked like a complicated square root equation turned into a beautifully simple problem with just one clever substitution. If you found another way to solve it, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.